I'm back with another look with the Juvia Garden palette. We're going to use this row today. We're going in with Gardenia, and this is going all over the lid. Do you see the difference? Now I'm taking NYX glitter glue and placing it all over my lid up to my crease. I'm taking shade Blooming and just popping it in right in here. Now Blossom right in the first part. Now I'm taking shade Peony and just creating shape. And I will be going on the bottom lash line and the inner corner. So this is what it should look like when you're done, and then you're going to add mascara and any type of lash you want. Okay, and now we're on to lips. I'm going to line my lips with this and gloss with this. Okay, so here's the final look. I feel really pretty, I'm not going to lie. Wasn't sure about the base at first, but it pulled together wonderfully. Let me know if you like it.